Elevate your in-office treatment with Novuskin's Solos device, a next-generation technology designed to rejuvenate, restore, and refresh your skin from within. Combining multi-wavelength light therapy, gentle therapeutic heat, and soothing vibration, red light therapy is designed to stimulate collagen production and boost circulation, perfect for clients seeking anti-aging and skin revitalization. Blue light therapy works to balance and clarify the skin, ideal for oily, acne-prone, or congested skin. Unlike traditional metal treatment heads, Solos features a specialized glass head engineered to deliver up to 57 times deeper light penetration. Solos can be used on forehead, chin, eyes, and neck. Each area is carefully treated to lift, sculpt, and enhance your natural glow. Every movement is designed to promote circulation, lift, and deliver optimal light penetration. The result? Glowing, rejuvenated, radiant skin. Choose between Solos red or blue light therapy, available exclusively at Novuskin.